Yo,
Yo,
you 18 for real?
I'm a boy.
Boy, if you don't. Alright, I hopped a monkey, but this time I trolled. Like, I haven't trolled in a minute, but yeah, but we're doing it on monkey, so yeah, let's just get straight into this video. And also make sure you like and subscribe. Alright. That shit bust. Bro, this nigga's just eating food. Like, you just.
Yo, you like that one bit?
What the fuck?
Wow, man. Damn.
What the? Bro, what are you doing, dog?
Let me get my weight real quick. Stay here.
Bro, don't get a shotgun, please. Chill. Chill, dog. Oh shit, I thought you was about to get a shotgun for a second. Okay. That shit. Keep lifting, boy. What time is it there? What time is it?
8:43.
8:40? Okay. That shit. Now your camera pretty ass, low key. That shit delay like a bitch.
Yeah,
Keep lifting.
yeah, I know.
How much that is?
50 right now.
Yeah. Yeah, bitch. Yo. Why you
bro? I'm live right now.
Oh, you live? That shit?
Yeah, bro.
What's your
Get
Twitch?
the bag.
Oh shit. Well, you look like you're about to take my IP or something. Oh, chill, dog. Chill. Oh shit. Pull the trigger. I'm trying to see somebody die. Yeah.
Where you from, bro?
America.
Yeah, where about?
What? You called me a
Where
monkey?
about?
You said I'm a monkey?
No.
What? What the fuck? Like, it was just Black History Month and you're doing this shit. You're weird. Yeah, Black Lives.
Fuck them.
Fuck. Oh, you're weird. You gonna call me hard R too?
Not you.
You're on Twitch, buddy. Aren't you banned? Like, you can't say it on Twitch.
Ah, bro.
What are
I'm
you?
fucking black.
What are you on? Bro, you're not black, dog.
I'm black, bro. What?
But what stream platform are you on? Bro, you can't say the hard R on Twitch.
You can, when I'm black.
Nah, nigga, like, you're not black, buddy.
Okay, goodbye to your Wi-Fi. Okay?
Nah, nigga. Like, you're weird.
Oh, you are I show what the?
Bro, like, come on. I'm not iShow. Bro, like, I'm tired of niggas calling me iShow Speed. I don't look like that nigga.
You are I show water.
Nah, you're weird, dog. Bro, y'all niggas don't brush your teeth in the UK, like, for real?
Nah.
Damn. So you got yellow teeth. That's
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
what?
Hold on, bro. Man just fucked up the bag shit. I'm finna fire. Walked outside with ARP shit. Who finna try?
Hold on.
Had to press the party piece. Hell no, I'm gonna buy it.
Nah, hold on. You kind of did something with that.
Fly the plane into the building. I fly the plane into the building. I'm a motherfucking.
Damn. Okay, okay.
I told these bitches something I did, and she ain't even like it.
Nah, we
She's nice.
definitely making it out. Definitely making it out.
Oh, that's right. Am I making it out the hood, twin?
Yeah, you 20.
Look,
like you saw, you kind
I
of
told her when you
ass, nigga. Like you kind of ass, like
she said, Poppy, when you met.
Clean that house.
No.
Use that vacuum. That's, yeah, that's what you go for. Yo.
Yo.
Be honest. Who do I look like?
Like, to be honest, you kind of look like Speed, like a little bit.
I knew you were about to say that shit, dog. Bro, this Speed.
Who do I look like? Watch. Hold up.
Neon if he grew out his hair. Yeah, Neon. Bro, I called it, dog.
Alright.
Maybe you gotta get his low cut too.
Fuck no.
I'm about to make some gay shit.
You say gay shit?
What?
You say you talking?
Oh,
Bro.
I got a question.
What?
Oh, I like your hair, man. It looks nice.
Nah, you trolling, dog. What the fuck? This nigga didn't just disappear. Now, that's tough though. There's a filter for that shit.
Huh?
Nah, Shaz G just disappeared. That's crazy. What the fuck?
I didn't know female.
Yo. You like that artificial air, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, keep smoking that vape. Get cancer soon.
Okay. You're done.
Yo.
Yo.
You look gay.
Get out.
Yo.
What does he look like? Yeah. Usually they look like something.
You gonna say ISO speed? Who you gonna say?
I don't know. Maybe KSI. I think Madala.
My forehead's not that big. Stop.
Madala. I never said you had a big forehead. Say.
Bro, we're not the same skin complexion. She really hungry.
I don't care.
Yo.
Yo.
How old are you guys?
Yes.
15.
15. Dang.
16, I mean.
Yeah.
Please! Please! No!
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. Like, you can press the video right here. Or this video right here. Like, all these are bangers. So it only takes like 2 seconds, dog. Like what are you guys doing? Like, you can also... follow the Instagram, like, takes like 2 seconds also, like, come on, dog. Gang!